How to create a playlist on YouTube. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. At the top search, open up any of your preferred web application and at the top search bar type in youtube.com. Once done, get logged into your YouTube account. Now let's go ahead and open a video in order to create a playlist. Now in order to add this video to your playlist, you will see a three-dot icon just beside the share option. Click onto it and you will see save option. Click on to save. Here click on create a new playlist. Give this any name that you would like. Once done, you can also change its privacy. For now, I'm just gonna go with private. Once done, click on to create. Let's go ahead and add some more videos to this playlist. Choose the video that you would like to add. Repeat the same process, click on the three-dot icon and click on to save. Select the playlist name that you just created. And as you can see that I just have added 2 videos onto my playlist. Now in order to view your playlist, click on the 3-bar icon just beside the YouTube logo. Under You section, you will see playlists. Click onto it. Select the name that you prefer. Just like so, you can see the 2 videos that you added. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.